It gives me a lot of joy and happiness to be with you this morning for this glorious celebration of 50 years of the priesthood of your beloved Reverend Monsignor Jose D. Barrion. So we're very happy to be with all of you and with him this morning to give thanks to God for this beautiful Golden Jubilee, 50 years of his priesthood, 50 years of faithful service to the people of God here in the Diocese of San Pablo.
A priest's jubilee is more than just an anniversary. It is a moment of remembrance, gratitude, and wonder before the mystery of God's call and grace. The priesthood of Monsignor Barrion did not begin 50 years ago on the day of his ordination. It began long before that, even before he was born or conceived.
For Monsignor Barrion, who has shown us the image of Christ, the image of Jesus in his priesthood. For me as the Apostolic Nuncio, that is as a representative of Pope Leo XIV, I want to make special reference to the fact that Monsignor Barrion has been a faithful friend of the Apostolic Nunciature for many, many years. He's been a friend of the Nunciature, he's supported the Nunciature, he's always been generous in bringing us flowers, and for that all of us are extremely grateful to his wonderful support for the mission of the Holy Father, the mission of now Pope Leo XIV here in the Philippines.
After 50 years of priesthood, perhaps the greatest testimony of a priest is not only the number of projects completed, homilies preached, or responsibilities fulfilled. The greatest testimony is this, that through all the years, through moments of joy and difficulty, of fidelity and struggle, one has remained in the love of Christ, because the priesthood can only endure when rooted in friendship with Jesus.
His Holiness Leo XIV cordially imparts the requested apostolic blessing to the Reverend Monsignor Jose Despida Barrion, PC, on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of his priestly ordination, hoping that his ministry is always an icon and transparency of the face of Christ, and through the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary, invokes an abundance of divine graces. May 14th, 2026.
So many people na pasasalamat ako. Hindi ko na lang kayo babanggitin. Diyos na ang bahala sa inyo. That made this happy.
Today we gather in thanksgiving to God as we celebrate the Golden Jubilee of the presbyteral ordination of Reverend Monsignor Jose Barrion, or Monsignor Jobar, as he is fondly known to many of us. He and I were classmates at the UST Central Seminary from 1972 to 1976.
50 years ago, you were ordained to the priesthood so that you may proclaim the reign of God and conquer souls for Him. And truly you did it with joy, generosity, and fidelity. Thank you, Monsignor Jobar. Tunay kang isang alamat. Isa kang OG.
I actually started my journey, my involvement in the diocese in 1965 when I answered the call. So I have been in the diocese for 61 years since I answered the call. Salamat sa inyong pakikilakbay sa akin at ako'y nakarating sa oras na ito. Wala akong masasabi kundi ang puso ko'y nagpupuri sa Panginoon.
Our dear Monsignor Jobar, you are a priest because you have been called, and you have been called because you are dearly loved by the one who called you. The invitation of Jesus in today's gospel that the Lord wishes to address in a very special way to you on this day could not be any clearer. Remain in my love. And perhaps that is one of the most important reminders to all of us on this Jubilee. Every vocation is never simply a function or a career. It is first and foremost a friendship with Jesus. And this is true not only for priests, but for each one of us.
Ako'y nagbuburi sapagkat sa kabila na aking kahinaan ay ako'y pinili pa rin niya. At katulad ng Mahal na Birhen, buong kapakumbabang ko din namang tinugon at isinabuhay ang kanyang aral. Kasama siya.
I am certainly very grateful to have known you bago ka patawagin ni Lord para tanggapin ang iyong gantimpala. Although I believe truly with sincerity, you will still outlive me dahil lagi ka pang nagsisigarilyo. Monsignor Jobar, may your priesthood and selfless service remain to be an inspiration to me, to all our clergy and our faithful. And together with our clergy, I am truly proud to be called your brother. I truly believe when you retire, yours would just be a new adventure and chapter to your colorful and grace-filled life story.
Lahat ng mga pari na kaibigan na nagsakatuparan ng ating celebration ngayong araw nito. Without you, I will not be able to do it. With your help, we are successful in our endeavor. Thank you.